What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. This week was interesting for the markets. There was still a lot of chop and volatility. We can see by looking at the intraday chart data for this week, the market didn't really move in one direction. It popped up a little bit, fell a little bit, and just was pretty stagnant. On Friday, the market gapped up, but ended up giving all of those gains back and more. So it was pretty volatile, to say the least, which has basically been the story of the market ever since 2022 started. So definitely a lot of volatility from this week. In terms of the swing updates, there weren't really any updates this week besides that half was taken on the GLD position. Tom secured half of his profits at around a 217% gain. That was giant. Tom entered this GLD play. GLD calls on December 16th, and I will just go to the chart really quickly. December 16th, right where my cursor is where Tom bought calls. And yeah, and then the price just boomed up. So Tom secured profits actually right around the top on March 8th. So that was a pretty stellar exit by Tom, and he is still holding the remaining half, but that's a nice 217% gain. So awesome job there. That was an awesome update with the swings. Besides that, there were not really any other moves made this week. Looking at the theta plays, again, not really too many updates. Shorting puts is hands down the best strategy in this market. If you want to learn more about it, ask some questions in the Discord. Tom, Hunter, or myself will definitely answer them. Shorting puts is such a great strategy. You get paid to potentially buy shares at a low price, and there's honestly not really any other strategy out there that can compete with it. So definitely check it out. Shifting over into the bot plays from this week, I would say the bot was fairly consistent. Basically, all of the plays did pop for over 10%. The worst play popped for 10.3% on Friday. The best play popped for 23.2% on Monday. There weren't any home runs this week like there was last week with VIX, but the bot was pretty consistent. The plays moved up. They didn't explode by any means, but they were relatively consistent. I guess the main reason for this is because of the choppiness we saw with the SPY. When we have days, like for example, on Thursday, where the market gaps down, goes up a little bit, falls a little bit, goes up, falls, goes up, it makes it hard for day trading in especially intraday momentum plays. So that's kind of why we didn't really see any home runs this week with the bot, because honestly, there just wasn't a ton of momentum in either direction. But all in all, it was a pretty good week. I would say the half of profit taking on GLD was definitely the star of the show. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching.